Wow, look at this. These are old OTIS elevators. We're at the School of Public Health, Berkeley, University of California, Berkeley, California. Wow. These are cool. It's going down? One? These are cool. Nice. Stand over there. Security desk. We're at 1. We're gonna go back up and end it up at like 7 or something.
Oh, I see.
Got us.
Which you don't need to do. I mean, you could do 2 hours. I mean, all those seminar campers are 2 hours. I mean, but it's just impossible, I always think. I don't know why they ever made it for 2 hours, because it's not even
It's not.
Yeah. So I'd love to see your syllabus, actually, because I heard you revamped very much of it. But
Oh, yeah.
I'd love to see what you kept us.
Ooh. This is the service elevator. Nice. Yeah, these are basically original, except for the buttons. This one is even at the height of the old panel. Oh, no one's going up. Love that bell. If for some magical reason this elevator doesn't get called when I get out, can you hold the door but push G? I mean 1.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just tell you. So lock your hand in the sensor when I get out. And then push G. Good job, babe. Yeah, I think he's reminded by Montgomery.
That red tape though.
Yeah.
Cute.
Adams Fire Service on an innovation panel. Interesting. Older Acme indicator. And OTIS.
Classic.
Yeah. Squeaky wheels.